Hi friends, this is Dimple Mehra Vishwakarma on my channel Angels Work. On Instagram, it's Angels Work India. So guys, today I bring to you in English language alphabet F for 2021. So guys, let's see how the year is going to be. If you've seen my Hindi video, more than the Hindi video, there are many more things in the English video to explore. And in case you have any confusion, do call me up for consultation. I can do a customized reading also for you. Guys, already there are a lot of Hindi videos which are uploaded in case you have your friends and family who understand Hindi language, and you can show them the videos. You can share with them, you can subscribe to my channel and never miss any update from Angels Work. There is also daily Hindi language zodiac based program that I do on my YouTube channel. So please enjoy, please stay tuned to Angels Work, because there's a lot of valuable information for this year and next year which is coming on this channel. Okay guys, so without wasting further time, let's go on to the financial part of it. Okay, so let's see how your finances are going to be in 2021. Superb, great. So anything which has been long stuck in financial matters, especially court cases, will be in your favor. If you are looking for legal justice, 100% legal justice comes to you in 2021. So it's a eureka moment for most of the people in 2021. All right, this year you will have all the success that you want. In case you have certain competitors who have been pushing you down, pulling you down with regards to that kind of market position, or you have been struggling with regards to your finances, or you've not been able to have finances from savings from a long time. This year, you, despite of any kind of cutthroat competition, you will be able to save the money that you want. So it's a eureka moment definitely for you. Now, if I go on the relationship matter, it is very important that you save your money this year from traveling to a foreign country. Do not invest into any kind of extramarital affair. Do not invest into anything which has got to do with the interiors of the house, or especially on the renovation of the house. There is a very strong possibility that the person whom you will consult will give you a wrong vastu tip, or perhaps will do some placement of the object here and there, which will create a lot of disturbance in your life. Focus your year on savings this year. This year 2021, if you start saving, next year will be a rock on. So concentrate on savings this year. Health wise, if I check for you, so what I see is that there is going to be a lot of confusion. There will be taking care of an old person or a sick person in the house, which will create a lot of stress, and it will bring in a lot of complications also. So if you are having any long distance relationship with a person, your partner is in a different city, or perhaps your parents are in different city, lot of confusion, lot of stress will be there, because you will not be able to leave your job. They will compel you to complete your task at the same time on Skype or on any other channel. You will be actually doing babysitting, or you will be constantly emotionally draining with them over the phone. Okay, with regards to career, I would suggest that avoid being too much stubborn this year. If you are investing your time into any kind of side business, or you intend to start any new business of your own and leave your current organization, my strong advice to you is first start side business, see the opportunities what you are getting. Only after your research you will understand whether you can sustain this business or not. 2021, a lot of startups are going to start, and this will create a lot of cutthroat competition. Though you have success despite of cutthroat competition, but you will not be able to match the amount of money that you will be getting in the salary, which will create confusion. And as I see that there will be a lot of money which will be spent on the hospitalization and taking care of your relatives. So it is an advice from me, please take it, that anything that you want to start inside business right now, Delhi dur hai. So don't start anything new, and if you are, it should be your side income only. Now when it comes to education, lot of confusion, a lot of taking care of the sick person at the home, because of which feeling of betrayal, a lot of like money being spent, a tutor to be hired is coming up on the cards. Even if the tutor is being hired, perhaps the tutor will not be able to like help children get the percentage or the marks the way you were helping them get. So this will create a lot of disappointments, but you will be hardly bothered because your entire focus is going to be on money making and taking care of a sick person. In case you're looking forward for pregnancy and you've not have a child from a long time, or you're having miscarriages, with the help of a male doctor you will be able to have a child. So if people are childless, this is what my suggestion is: go for allopathic medicines, IVF, go for any such things which come from the Western world. These techniques will help you have a child, and that will be like very soon. For those children who are studying in a foreign country or international board, they will have good results this year, which will make a very joyful moment at the house. But because the tensions at the house will not decrease, so the tensions will come and the tensions will go, happiness will come and happiness will go. The best day for you would be the best day of 2020. So history will repeat. So if your best day in 2020 was your birthday, definitely it's going to be your birthday again. If it was like any day on which you got a hike on the salary or any such thing, please go and observe which day you were the most happiest in 2020. The same day is going to repeat in 2021 also. If I look at the best color, I see that blue color would be your best color. The best day would be a Tuesday for you. In fact, if I look at the best day again, I see that on the best day, like as I had mentioned, it would be the best date, which will be of 2020, which will repeat. The worst day for you will be a Tuesday. I'm sorry, I made a mistake in my video. The worst day would be a Tuesday for you. So please do not take any decisions on Tuesday. Otherwise, there could be problems. You should avoid wearing green and red color this year in 2021. This will bring in a lot of success to you. So avoid wearing even red and green color undergarments or individually red or green color. The best month for you would be up to 15 July. The starting of the July would be very good for you. In fact, the June beginning will start good. From June to 15th of July will be the best month for you. The worst month for you would be 16 July to 30th July. You have to be extremely careful during this period, especially during this period, because rains also are very predominant in many parts of the country. There could be accidents, there could be like some kind of tragedies which can happen in this period in your family. So 16 to 30th July doesn't seem to be a good period for you. With regards to travel wise, I see that short travel with regards to work is indicated in February. This could be like a 3 to 4 day trip. If you are continuously traveling, my suggestion to you is do not pick up a fight while you are traveling. It can create a lot of complications for you, and it will also lead to some problems at your workplace. Perhaps you may speak certain harsh words while you are traveling with your colleague, not to the colleague but with the driver or whomsoever, which will create a lot of negative idea about you. So this is something which you will have to learn. This year the best remedy for you suggested by the tarot is Try to adopt global culture. Think big, think liberal, talk positive words, try to embrace people, do not judge people, try being thankful to people, avoid using bad words, do not get angry often, do not speak Indian Hindi bad words, otherwise there will be like a lot of problems with regards to career. Your progress at workplace, the way you are anticipating, will also stop. In case you want success at your workplace, my suggestion to you is that either pick up a intern, or if you are running your own business, hire a small girl who can do your activities. In case you can't do that, you are an independent professional, then what you do is that whatever income that you're making, ensure that a certain percentage of it, or if not that, then even like a 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupee, whatever you can, on a daily basis or on a monthly basis, weekly basis, you have a commitment for yourself. Give khatti miti goli, like candies, to small girls around you. That will help you to have more success with your work. So guys, this was alphabet F in English language. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this. Do subscribe to my channel and do not miss any updates from Angels Work. Thank you so much. Have a great year.